Estivation, placentation, seed, pollination, and seed dispersal. Introduction. We learnt about inflorescence, flower structure, and flower symmetry. In this second part, we will continue in the same sequence and understand estivation, placentation, seed, pollination, and seed dispersal. These concepts explain how floral parts are arranged, how ovules are placed inside the ovary, how seeds are formed, and how plants spread to new places. Estivation and placentation. Estivation. Estivation is the arrangement of sepals or petals in an unopened flower bud with respect to one another. Common types of estivation. Valvate. The margins of sepals or petals touch each other but do not overlap. Twisted. One margin of each petal overlaps the next petal in a regular direction. Imbricate. Petals overlap one another irregularly. Vexillary. One large posterior petal overlaps two lateral petals and the two lateral petals overlap the two anterior petals. This is commonly seen in P. Estivation helps us study the arrangement of floral parts before the flower opens. It is an important feature used in identifying flowers. Placentation. Placentation is the arrangement of ovules inside the ovary. Common types of placentation. Marginal placentation. Ovules are arranged along the margin of the ovary. Example, P. Axial placentation. Ovules are attached to the central axis of the ovary. Examples, hibiscus and tomato. Parietal placentation. Ovules are attached to the inner wall of the ovary. Example, mustard. Basal placentation. The ovule is attached at the base of the ovary. Example, sunflower, specifically in an individual floret of the sunflower head. Note for clarity, a sunflower head is not a single flower. It is made up of many small florets. Therefore, when sunflower is given as an example of basal placentation, it refers to the individual floret, not the entire flower head. Estivation and placentation are important floral characters used in plant identification and classification. Seed, seed coat, endosperm, and embryo. After fertilization, the ovary develops into a fruit and the ovules develop into seeds. A seed has three important parts: seed coat, embryo, endosperm. Seed coat. The outer protective covering of the seed. It protects the seed from injury, drying, and unfavorable conditions. Embryo. The young plant inside the seed. It develops into a new plant during germination when conditions are suitable. Endosperm. The stored food present in many seeds. It nourishes the embryo during early development. Example, in maize, the endosperm is well developed. In bean, food is mainly stored in the cotyledons. Thus, a seed is a protective and nutritive structure. It carries the young plant safely until suitable conditions are available for germination. Pollination and seed dispersal. Pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. Types of pollination. Self-pollination. Pollen grains are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or to the stigma of another flower on the same plant. Cross-pollination. Pollen grains are transferred from the anther of a flower on one plant to the stigma of a flower on another plant of the same species. Agents of pollination. Wind, water, insects, birds, animals. Pollination is important because it leads to fertilization, fruit formation, and seed formation. Self-pollination helps maintain parental characters, while cross-pollination increases genetic variation among plants. Seed dispersal. Seed dispersal is the spreading of seeds away from the parent plant. Methods of seed dispersal. Wind, cotton and calotropis. Water, coconut. Animals, mango and guava. Bursting of fruits, balsam and pea. Seed dispersal prevents overcrowding around the parent plant and helps plants grow in new places. Evolutionary significance. Flowers evolved to improve reproduction in flowering plants. Estivation protects floral parts in the bud stage, while placentation ensures proper arrangement of ovules inside the ovary. Pollination increases the chances of fertilization and seed formation. Fruits protect developing seeds and help in their dispersal. Seeds allow the embryo to survive unfavorable conditions and grow into a new plant when conditions become suitable. Let us summarize. 1. Estivation is the arrangement of sepals or petals in the bud stage. 2. Placentation is the arrangement of ovules inside the ovary. 3. A seed contains a seed coat, embryo, and in many plants, endosperm. 4. Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. 5. Self-pollination occurs within the same flower or same plant, while cross-pollination occurs between two plants of the same species. 6. Seed dispersal helps plants spread to new places and prevents overcrowding.